In this lesson, we'll be configuring a live production server using linode.com. Linode is a popular, scalable, cloud hosting solution for web applications. A server created on a cloud hosting platform is known as a virtual server. Linode refers to virtual servers as linodes. Other providers use their own terminology to refer to virtual servers. For example, Amazon Web Services uses the term instance, and DigitalOcean uses the term droplet. The concepts explored in this section can be applied to any cloud hosting provider. As with most cloud hosting providers, you only pay for what you use. If you're following along with this tutorial, we'll be creating a server using the Linode 1 GB plan. As seen on the linode.com website under the Pricing tab, the cost of this server is 15 cents per hour. Unless you plan on keeping the server active after the lesson, you will not require more than 2 to 3 hours of usage. Linode also offers a money-back guarantee for accounts canceled within 7 days under the terms of their free trial period. As per the specifications, our server will have 1 GB of RAM, 1 core CPU, 24 GB of SSD hard drive storage, and 2 TB of bandwidth allocation. During the lesson, we will not only configure and administer the server, but also explore how to create backups and upgrade your server with ease using IP reassignment. Remember, unlike shared hosting, there are no fixed contracts or subscription costs. It's all pay as you go. The first thing we need to do is click the Sign Up button. Enter your email and select a username and password that will be used to log in. Next, you'll be required to confirm your email. Once you've confirmed your email, you'll be greeted with this screen. Click on this button here to complete your sign up. You'll also notice that you can try the service for 1 week risk-free using the 7-day money-back option. So that helps for learning purposes. Once you're on the complete sign-up page, you'll be required to provide some information for billing and security purposes. Fill out the required fields in payment details. So you can fill out your billing information. You can enter any promotion or referral codes. You'll have to enter your payment details. You'll need to preload your account with some funds. For now, just select the smallest option, $5, because again, if you're only doing this for learning purposes, you're only going to have the server active for maybe 2 to 3 hours at most. The amount here is used towards future invoices, should you decide to keep your account active for more than 7 days, because within 7 days, you can ask for your money back. So once you've added the payment details, you're ready to begin. Click on the Linodes tab.